A whole egg contains 7 grams of protein. Protein helps in performing various functions in the body, such as preventing bleeding due to an injury in the body, helping to maintain the amount of various fluids in the body, and also improving the immune system, also improves the process of seeing, improves the process of hormones in the body, plays an important role in making different enzymes in the body. Apart from this, they also play an important role in losing weight. Apart from protein, eggs are also rich in potassium. Potassium helps the various parts of the human body to function properly. As it helps the nerves to work properly, the job of the nerves is to carry the messages from the brain to the body. Apart from this, it also improves muscle movement and balances the amount of sodium in the body, which is also important for heart health. Lutein and choline are also found in eggs, where many ingredients are found. Lutein improves eyesight and is also beneficial for heart health. Apart from this, choline is also present, which gives strength to the brain and also plays an important role in making substances that carry messages from the brain to the body. Many people misuse eggs due to lack of knowledge, which proves to be harmful for their hair and skin. Egg yolk contains biotin, which is very important for hair, skin, and nails. Apart from this, it also helps in making insulin. Egg yolk contains a protein called avidin that combines with biotin in the body. When it is combined with biotin, this is why biotin cannot be absorbed in the body. This will only happen if you use more egg whites.